Ceol, the Irish word for music. In Irish mythology and folklore, music was often seen as otherworldly. When someone was particularly gifted at music, it was said that the gift was given to them by the Aes Sídhe, the fairy folk. There are many stories recounting how the tunes were learned. Sometimes they arrived in dreams, given by a mysterious fairy woman, or indeed discovered by visiting an ancient stone cairn or rath believed to be an entrance place to the other world. It is no surprise that traditional music is deeply woven into the fabric of Irish culture and heritage. It is a living embodiment of ancestral memory. It is not surprising either that the national emblem of Ireland is a musical instrument, an cláirseach, the harp. When the penal laws were introduced in the 1500s under colonial rule, it aimed to eradicate the ancient ways of Gaelic life. Under these laws, it was forbidden to speak or read Gaeilge, the Irish language, or play Ceol, traditional Irish music. Breaking the laws meant fines, imprisonment, and the death penalty. Despite this, the language and the music still survived and indeed thrived, and today it is loved and celebrated throughout the world. Ceol, the Irish word for music.